Welcome. So this course is quite a bit different from other courses in its scope, its complexity, and its structure. So I want to first talk about how it came to be and what makes it special. I'll keep it brief though. First, I should say hi. Hello, my name's Colt. I have a face. Those are professional photos of it. Here's one I prefer, me and my cat. Look out for her to make an appearance or two throughout the course. So some days I wake up any content I could produce. So I'll leave it there for now. This course is really unique in a couple ways: the scope, the diversity of topics that we cover, as well as the structure of our team. The fact that we've all worked together, that we know each other's teaching styles, and that we're bringing our offline bootcamp experience back online. So next up, I'm going to take you on a journey through the curriculum. And it really is a journey because there's a lot to talk about.